How's it going? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your 8BitDo Ultimate 2 controller onto your computer. Now, basically, of course, it's going to look something like this. And now, if you cannot connect it directly, so first, basically just go ahead and plug the USB dongle, which is going to be this one, onto your computer. And simply after connecting your device, you just want to make sure that you are using the 2.4 gigahertz connection if your device supports this dongle right here. But of course, you can also connect it to a Bluetooth if you want to. Now, after connecting your dongle onto the USB port, just press the middle button, which then allows us to connect our controller right here. Now, in some other cases, if you cannot completely connect your controller, you then want to make sure that you basically have the 8BitDo Ultimate 2C controller for Windows and Android, because I've already experienced this. I've bought my second 8BitDo Ultimate 2C controller, and unfortunately I bought the wrong one, which is going to be for this Switch compatibility. Now, if you go ahead and bought this Switch compatibility 8BitDo controller, unfortunately there is no way for us to connect our controller onto the computer itself. But if you're doing something like Steam games, I believe you can still go ahead and use it by connecting it normally using the way that I've previously mentioned. But this will only go ahead and work if you're using a Steam compatibility game, because they have a built-in controller support for something like a Switch controller. So if you have bought this one which says Switch, unfortunately there's no way to connect it. But if you have your game onto Steam, I believe you could still play it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.